Chang says Jamaicans will next week hear the details of the government's crime plan. The minister also took the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, to task of the manner in which it undertakes its investigations.
Dr. Chang was a guest on TVJ's All Angles last night. Here's TVJ's Vashan Brown with his primetime news report.
Where is the crime plan? That's the question being asked for the past few months. In March, Prime Minister Andrew Holness told the House of Representatives that the government would soon disclose its crime plan, but there needed to be bipartisan support. Now the National Security Minister, Dr. Horace Chang, says the plan is coming.
So when are you going to hear about the plan?
Well, I will speak to greater detail, a number of them, in my presentation on Tuesday.
So when you present, we'll hear the plan?
You will hear what we're doing with crime.
Turning to another issue, in recent times there have been concerns about the relationship between the police and the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM. Dr. Chang says INDECOM has been over-enthusiastic in its handling of some investigations. He's of the view that INDECOM should focus more on citizens' complaints.
Citizens complain about 15% of the shooting. Yet INDECOM is in the other 85%. Becomes part of the investigation.
Because that's what the statute says. That's what the law says they're supposed to do.
Yeah, but
they're not a word-for-word replace of a BSI or whatever. They operate, they're statutory, they're a creature of statute. They operate according to what the statute says. So sure, they act on citizens' complaint, but that isn't the only thing they act on.
Yes, but the principal thing they should deal with citizens' complaint thoroughly. Other cases, they have to handle it in terms of police investigation. The police cannot be in an operation, and you have to stop to answer INDECOM question when they're criminal shooting out there.
In the meantime, Dr. Chang says body-worn cameras for the police have not been effective. He has suggested that not enough thought went into the process.
They don't work well with them. In fact, they cannot even go on the regular uniforms, from what I gather. And some of them, when they hang them on the collars, they spin around and you get the picture of the man chase rather than the criminal, and it's not because it's deliberately done. Where they have been introduced, work was done in a very graduated way to get the right cameras, get the right kind of fittings, and ensure the uniforms also can adapt to them. This was the example we tend to refer to in New York. Work is being done to correct the problems, and we'll have body-worn cameras later this year in terms of where required with the police. That will be able to work and work well.
Vashan Brown, TVJ News.